Hi students, I've suggested when we have been playing "O Brother, Where Art Thou? I Am a Man of Sorrow" that the strum was just a of constant sorrow I've seen trouble, that we could do something a little different with the strum. Now, you have numerous measures of D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3. Then you change to a G after 4 measures of 4, 4. And I'm going to spotlight myself here. So I've suggested that when you're playing the D, you could do a little country fancy picking, and that means that you hit on the D chord, you'd hit the 4th string, and the 5th string, the A string. It gives it kind of a oompa, kind of a tuba or bass guitar part. It'll take practice to surgically place your pick on the G. It's, let's see, the 4th and the 5th. 4th and 5th, or the 4th and 6th. Fancy to would be to go from numerous strings. Again, it's precision, surgical accuracy with the pick, and then the A, it's 5 and 6. 5. Let me do them all again in close up. So for the D, 4 and 5. The G, I said 4 and 5. I did 4, 5, and 6 after the strum. Again. 5, 4, 5. And then for the A, exclusively 5 and 6. So it'll take practice, but what it does is it adds a depth or a complexity into what would basically be a 3-chord song. You know, just down, down, up, down, and now you add a little bit of the pick, and you'll hear that in almost all of the rhythm guitar players in country, they're doing that. They're doing that, and they're actually kind of doubling what the bass player is doing. All right, have fun with that, ladies and gentlemen.